On a Sunday night at approximately 9 p.m., Don presents to the local emergency room. He showed up with classic signs and symptoms of a very, very serious spinal cord injury. They did nothing, literally nothing for hours. They watched him lose the ability to move and feel his legs and still did nothing. That's indefensible and inexcusable. It's the righteous pursuit of justice, and that drives me.
Prior to my dad's spinal cord injury, my parents led a really active life. My dad has been in business for himself as a commercial plumber forever, and he's a super hard worker. He doesn't stop. My mom, highly involved with her grandkids. They used to go on day trips to Sugar Creek, Ohio all the time. They just really enjoyed being with each other and doing the things that couples their age that have finished raising their families enjoy doing. When he incurred the spinal injury, all that came to a grinding halt.
Don and Donna's life has been devastated as a result of Don's paralysis. They are truly living the worst part of their marriage vows. They've been married for over 50 years, and they are now forced to live through not the best of times, but the worst of times. Not in health, but in sickness.
From the very first time we met Jason in the hospital cafeteria, right after this happened, I knew he was going to be perfect just because of his demeanor, how gentle he was with my mom. It was clear that he was good at dealing with situations like my parents, situations where emotions can run high. This was uncharted territory for us. Just from the beginning, I felt really confident in his ability to lead us through.
We often meet clients after some type of devastating death or injury, and they are literally living their worst nightmare. Oftentimes they are faced with very challenging and overwhelming circumstances. Emotionally overwhelming circumstances, physically overwhelming circumstances, and financially overwhelming circumstances. And we are very, very sensitive to those issues. We work hard with our clients to develop a game plan to help them navigate these very challenging circumstances. We help them regain the ability to move forward and return to leading a meaningful and productive life.
We were really, really happy to find Jason to represent my parents. You didn't feel like just another client with Jason. He showed an amazing amount of respect for my parents, for their circumstances. He went above and beyond for them. Just feeling like, you know, he's in your corner, so to speak, really in your corner. You could almost forget that you weren't his only client.
As a result of the financial recovery from the lawsuit, Don and Donna have been able to move forward in their life with stability and security, and most importantly, peace of mind and dignity. Very gratifying and rewarding for me to help them rebuild and restore a meaningful and fulfilling life. It's the righteous pursuit of justice, and that drives me.